पे 100 Hours 100 Stars. मैं हूँ आपकी रेडियो की हीरोइन रोहिणी from 91.9 FM Radio Nasha, and today on the 100 Hours 100 Stars, I'm super excited to bring to you a dear friend and influencer, and just a force in my life, and that is of course Sushant Divgekar. Hi Sushi, welcome to 100 Hours 100 Stars.
Hi, I love this whole idea of this tete-a-tete rendezvous with Rohini. Tete-a-tete. It's like I love it, and it's always such a pleasure chatting with you. So that is something that's like common through the generations.
Can I please call attention to the fact that मैंने बहुत सारे celebs को interview किया है, because of this lockdown situation. लेकिन सुशांत दिवगेकर is the only celeb जिसके घर की दीवारों पर उसी का art है पीछे जो लगा हुआ है.
Yeah. But you know how mom died. You know how. Yeah, dude, I'm just gonna take it and then just show it to you.
Love it.
So, that thing was the shoot that I did with Monisha Asgaonkar, which went viral, babe.
Viral.
Just like Corona, it was everywhere. So this shoot was quite important, and it was my first nude shoot, so.
Oh my lord!
Girl.
I like how the least important part of that shoot is on that poster right now. But anyway, let's go back to the time when you won a very significant title for our country, Sushant. I think ये बहुत ही important है because we all grew up, of course, with Miss India, and it was the 90s जहाँ पर Aishwarya and Sushmita, of course, won the titles and they brought it back home. But what was the year when you won Mr. Gay International? मुझे बताओ.
So I won Mr. Gay World India. The Indian pageant in 2014, and in the same year I went for Mr. Gay World. I didn't win the title, but I won 4 subtitles, and they're also there somewhere in the house. They're in fact in the showpiece, so my mom is very proud of. And I won Mr. Congeniality. I won People's Choice. I won the People's Choice Award at Mr. Gay World, which was a huge deal for an Indian to win at an international gay pageant, right? Because a lot of people thought that, oh my God, India is like, what? And I'm just like,
oh my God, do you guys still have elephants?
I'm just like, honey, you know what? No, not happening. And I was like, listen, I don't know what ideas people have about India, but then I went and represented India, and my national costume was like, a peacock, it was, how do you call it? It was inspired by the peacock. And then, I'd won the talent round, which was clearly...
Clearly, and we're going to know why.
I'm just throwing shade at the others. Congeniality, People's Choice, I can see the awards. And Sports Challenge, Team Sports. So that was like a whole rounded person, right? And then they just loved me, and they were like, what a breath of fresh air. We didn't ever imagine that, you look quite snooty in your pictures. And I'm just like, what are all these preconceived notions you all have of me? Like, I look snooty. Rohini, please tell me, do I look snooty? Is this face snooty?
Okay, मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगी कि अक्सर ये लोगों के साथ होता है जो बहुत talented होते हैं, that you look at their photos, their achievements, और थोड़ा सा intimidate हो जाते हैं लोग. Okay, so I think that's where that comes from. But I also want to say that was big for India, क्योंकि ये एक international level पर the same thing what Aishwarya और सुष्मिता के लिए किया था, because इससे पहले I just think that the confidence that Indian sort of men lacked, okay, to go out there and be on an international platform with a Mr. Gay Worldwide. And now, of course, because of that, you open doors, और उसकी वजह से अब ये foundation जो है इंडिया के साथ बहुत ही करीब से काम करता है. बहुत सारे participants वहाँ पर जाते हैं, and हर साल यहाँ का जो Mr. Gay India का जो leg है, ये आप organize करते हो, and it's been quite a journey for you to do that. It's like giving back. And what do you think, इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ है? क्या लड़के और भी ज़्यादा, अपने I would say अपने शर्म को पीछे छोड़ रहे हैं, and they're embracing their sexuality? तुम्हें लगता है ऐसे हुआ है?
पहली बात तो I think रोहिणी, I started doing जो आप कह रही हैं कि give back. I did that as soon as my reign got over. उसी साल इनफैक्ट मैंने वो प्रोड्यूसरशिप लिया और मैंने कहा कि इन इंडिया आई विल मेक श्योर कि हमारे यहाँ पर भी एक हम पैजेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं, ताकि ये जो लड़के हैं, now after that it has been 5 years that I've been sending boys, sending participants, sending Mr. Gay Indias, और आपने भी हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से आप बहुत ही मतलब करीबी आपका रिश्ता है, तो and we love you so much and you are such an ally as well, right? So my thing is that it's a platform for young LGBT influencers to come and showcase their talent, and especially from a country like India, which we are not given equal opportunity. However much we say that we are improving and this and that, we still today look down on people who are not conventional, or people who don't follow the heteronormative the outline that we have set, norms. So anything that is a little different is scary.
अलग, जो कुछ अलग है तो वो थोड़ा सा डरावना लगता है।
थोड़ा भी अगर कुछ अलग हो जाए, या फिर आप अलग दिखते हैं, या आप अलग तरीके से बोलते हैं, या आपने कुछ तो बट मेरा ये कहना है कि अगर सारे लोग इफ वी ऑल वर द सेम, एक जैसे ही हम दिखते थे, एक जैसे ही बात करते, एक जैसे ही चलते रहते, तो फिर इतना बोरिंग होता ना लाइफ, life would be so boring, and it would be like boring.
Hey, that's the one ring that I can't have, okay? And that's basically how I pick my men. You want to have a ring, you can't be boring. But
correct, and so that was basically it, and I didn't want to, I'm just going to tie my hair because it's so hot.
रानी को बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी लग रही है, बेबी के लिए एसी ऑन करो,
बेबी के लिए ऑन करो, बेबी को मलमल लाओ, बेबी को जूस, प्लीज बेबी को जूस। अच्छा, ये जो खेती है घर पे बैठे बैठे उगा दी है, बिकॉज यू कैन गो टू द बार्बर शॉप ऑब्वियसली, बट हमें तो पता नहीं था कि तुम्हारे बाल इतने घुंघरालू है, बाय द वे। Arey, always it has been, yaar.
Hey, what do you mean? What do you mean? No, I love it because ये बाल तुम्हारे ऊपर की तरफ उग रहे हैं, and they are not backing down.
और sideways उग रहे हैं, तो ये ऐसे ना, मतलब एक ऐसे झाड़ी जो होती है खोसला होता है, it's like that. So, but this has always been the case, and in between I hadn't, like, I kept it a little short, but and then I straightened it also. But मैंने ना मेरे फ्रेंड्स को यही बात बोली कि मैं ही स्ट्रेट नहीं हूँ तो बाल कैसे स्ट्रेट होंगे?
So I'm done. And at this point, I just want to take this opportunity to tell Sushant कि मेरे घर पे जब लोग आते हैं, especially when men who want to date me come to my house and then they see something that Sushant ने मुझे दिया था, और फिर वो 2 मिनट के लिए थोड़ा सा डर जाते हैं, because Sushant ने मुझे ये दिया था एक बार, and this was of course a very important ally award. It's a Rainbow Ally Award, which is Mr. Gay India. But अगर आप इसका layout देखेंगे, इस पर लिखा है Mr. Gay India to Miss Rohini Ramanathan. कोई ये नहीं देखता और कोई ये कुछ नहीं देखता. So they look at this और imagine like guys come to date me और फिर वो दिखता है, बोले ये award तुम्हें कैसे मिला? I never thought about it. But ये बहुत खास award है क्योंकि एक Rainbow Ally Award है. Going back to the great work that Sushant has been doing, of course, it's the Sushant Divgekar Philanthropy Award in organization or association with the MGI. And of course, this is of course to tell everybody that even if you're straight, okay, even if you're gay, doesn't matter. अगर आप LGBTQI community को support करना चाहते हैं, there is so many opportunities. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to do that always, Sushant. Thank you. And
thank you for always being there. And for ruining your dates.
लड़के बड़े nervous हो जाते हैं. But just imagine that one moment, the moment the men are like, पता नहीं अंदर से क्या निकलेगा. But anyway, moving on swiftly. Also रानी कोहिनूर तुम्हारा ड्रैग अवतार है, एंड रानी कोहिनूर अगर सिर्फ एक ड्रैग अवतार होता जो एक नाइट क्लब से सीमित रहता तो probably आज तुम 100 hours 100 stars पे नहीं होते. The fact is that Rani Kohinoor went on to become the first ever drag queen on Indian television. और ये Indian television के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी, because to have a drag queen on a reality singing show and not for the drag queenness of it, ये बहुत important है, because ये एक टैलेंट हंट इसलिए नहीं था कि आप वहां पर थे क्योंकि आप ऐसे कपड़े पहनते हैं. इट वाज एक्चुअली अ सिंगिंग शो, एंड यू sang in a male and a female voice, which we knew about you, क्योंकि हम ये बात जानते थे. But oh my God, that was overwhelming. मेरे लिए तो एक बहुत ही बड़ी बात थी, क्योंकि मेरा दोस्त है जो टेलीविजन पर इतने बड़े शो पर नजर आ रहा है. But what do you think, इस चीज ने पूरी कम्युनिटी के लिए किया? सुशांत, बताइए.
I really enjoyed being on the show. एक बात तो ये है, हाँ, it was quite a life changing experience for me, क्योंकि मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि इतने accepting होंगे लोग, और when you won't believe that, बहुत ही छोटे टाउन से, छोटे शहरों से लोगों ने मुझे मैसेज करके ये बोला कि आपके वजह से हम और कॉन्फिडेंट फील करते हैं कि हम भी आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, हमें भी वो हुनर है और हमें भी सोसाइटी एक्सेप्ट करेगी, क्योंकि आपने एक मतलब ऐसे टॉपिक को छुआ है जो बहुत सारे लोग डरते हैं दिखाने के लिए, वो साइड जो अपना वो एक वी से दैट वी क्लोजेटेड, और फिर हम लोग अपने सेक्सुअलिटी या हमारे निजी जिंदगी के बारे में बात नहीं करते हैं. A lot of times even on reality shows, अगर आप देखें, और मैंने काफी सारे रियलिटी शोज किए हैं, और उनपे भी बहुत सारे लोग ना ये छुपा छुपा के चलते हैं कि अपना हम पर्सनल लाइफ ये नहीं बोलेंगे. बट देन व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ बीइंग इन अ रियलिटी शो? अगर आप रियलिटी शो पे हो तो यू हैव टू बी रियल, दैट इज व्हाई इट्स अ रियलिटी शो. अगर आप मतलब ऐसे मुखौटे पहन के आके, मेरे को वो समझता नहीं है, तो आई हैव नेवर एवर डन दैट. बट also saying, having said that, ये भी था कि मैं एक किरदार निभा रहा था. रानी कोहिनूर is a character that I have created. Also to say that when we have gender stereotypes, हमारे यहाँ पर कहते हैं कि आदमियों को ये नहीं करना चाहिए, औरतों को ये नहीं करना चाहिए, औरतों को घर पे बैठ के खाना बनाना चाहिए, आदमियों को बाहर जाके काम कमाना चाहिए. और all these things are changing now. Women can go and be doctors, be in the politics, be in the front line when they're doctors, they're engineers, lawyers, anything, cops, police women, in the army, navy, wherever. I think people, women are toe to toe with the men, and men also nowadays don't have any problem taking up jobs like of chefs and hairstylists, fashion designers, and there are so many stay-at-home husbands that want to say that जो अपने बीवी को कहते हैं कि आपको मौका मिला है, you go ahead and work, I'll take care of the children at home, मैं बच्चों का ख्याल रखता हूँ. तो ये सारे चेंजेस जब हो रहे हैं, मैंने सोचा कि आई थिंक द LGBT कम्युनिटी को भी अपना जो इज्जत है वो मिलना चाहिए. एक जो मतलब वो मुकाम अगर मैंने हासिल किया है, तो वो देख के दूसरे लोग जो मेरे बाद में आएंगे, वो उनको भी वो थोड़ा एनकरेजमेंट मिलेगा, क्योंकि वो हम देख सकते हैं रोहिणी, इट्स इजी टू से, बट कितने लोग और कितने कैरेक्टर्स हैं जो आप देखेंगे हमारे मूवीज में भी या पिक्चरों में भी, जहां पर हमें एक अच्छे नजरिए से देखा जाता है या दिखाया जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
तो ये बहुत ही एक महत्वपूर्ण बात है जो आई थिंक वी नीड टू put it out there.
And you put it out there in style, in heels and with boas and with your best sort of outfits. Oh my God, Rani Kohinoor. I mean, कभी-कभी मुझे confusion होती है कि who do I like more, Sushant or Rani? Because I happen to know both of them, honey. And एक बहुत ही खास चीज है जिस पर हम दोनों जुड़े हुए हैं हर साल, which is the Kashish Film Festival, जो एक LGBTQI film festival है. And there are so many things that Sushant and I do together. लेकिन we still don't have the time just to hang out क्योंकि हम दोनों बहुत busy हैं. Just want to say celeb life here. So I'm sorry about that, Sushi. But Sushant जब भी मेरे शो पर आया है रेडियो पर, the one thing that Sushant has done, literally like the first time he sang in a female voice, okay, was on the radio for my show, and I'll never forget that because I think it took a bit of thinking, saying हमें करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, and then he came and he gave this stunning Asha Bhosle tribute, और मैं वो कभी नहीं भूलूंगी.
It was R.D.
Burman tribute. तो आशा जी के गाने थे, लता जी के गाने थे. Oh my God, it was just gorgeous. So आज मैं चाहूंगी कि you sing whatever you like, because जो लोग हमें देख रहे हैं, of course I'm going to encourage everybody once again, QR code है screen पर, please donate कीजिए 100 hours 100 stars पर. We've got Sushant Divgekar and Rani गाएगी.
बिल्कुल। कौन सा गाना गाऊं यार? which one
या
should
मेरे
I
हिसाब से
sing?
एक तो आई थिंक वी शुड स्टार्ट द बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग.
Okay, okay.
I think we could start with something retro. I don't know if you like
Okay,
Boom
let's
Boom
do
by
it.
Nazia Hassan. Like, I feel like this is a jukebox, and I can like put a coin and Sushant will sing for me.
Right. I'll sing better than that is Jhoom 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 Baba by Salma Aga.
Oh
Yeah,
my
let's.
God! Disco it is!
ओ ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है.
Dang,
ओ
dang,
ये दिल को आज क्या हुआ है,
dang,
कि
dang.
झूमता ही जा रहा है. झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा. दिल में ख्वाब जागे जागे है निगाहें खोई खोई. डांस डांस तताना तताना
Dada,
तताना, आज
dada.
खुश नसीब बोई जिसकी बाहों में कोई. डांस डांस.
Dance, dance.
जवा है तुम जवा हो, दिल जवा है, धड़कने जवा. ओ हम जवा है तुम जवा हो, दिल जवा है, धड़कने जवा. झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा, झूम 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 बाबा. हे
Woohoo! What a rocking start! What a rocking start! शायद मुझे हमेशा से पूछना था कि गा तो तुम लेते हो लेकिन it's kind of hard because lockdown में you don't have accompanying artists, जो आपके लिए शायद गिटार बजाए या did you ever pick up a musical instrument on the way here?
I did. मैंने ट्राई तो किया था गिटार सीखना, और मैंने हारमोनियम थोड़ा सीखा है क्योंकि स्कूल में आई वेंट टू एन आर्य समाज स्कूल, आर्य विद्या मंदिर, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्कूल्स इन बॉम्बे दैट टाइम. और हमें ना म्यूजिक क्लास में हारमोनियम और क्लासिकल सिखाया जाता था थोड़ा बहुत, तो तभी मैंने सीखा था. और फिर उसके बाद आई ऑल्सो हैड एन हारमोनियम एट होम एंड विच आई यूज्ड टू प्ले वेरी रेगुलरली. फिर मैंने थोड़ा मतलब सोचा कि चलो हम लोग ये करते हैं, वी लर्न द keys, the keyboard. उसमें हम ना सफल रहे. फिर हमने गिटार पकड़ी.
I like that word, ना
असफल.
असफल है ना, but ना सफल is great.
ना सफल, सफलता प्राप्त नहीं हुई हमें.
Oh my God! Just look at the Hindi sound, eh? Nice.
तो फिर हमने गिटार पकड़ी और फिर वो भी हमसे ना हो पाया. तो मैंने सोचा कि यार बस हो गया अब, मतलब टाइम वेस्ट करने से अच्छा है यही है कि हम अपने वी कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द वॉइस. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट आई वुड से अबाउट माई थिंग इज दैट आई डोंट स्टिक टू वन जॉनर. So I'll sing semi-classical, I'll sing folk, I'll sing pop, I'll sing rock, I'll sing jazz, I'll sing blues, I'll sing 200 things. I will never ever, say that I will not try this. I'll never say that. So you give me anything, which is why I was one of the most booked artists in 2018 and 19, is because I never said no to anybody. मैंने कभी ना बोला ही नहीं. तो everything from उमराव जान, दिल चीज़ क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए, from that to going and doing a Helen number. पिया तू है अब तो आजा, शोला सावन दहके आके बुझा जा. So I realized that मेरा सबसे जो स्पेशल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है वो मेरी आवाज ही है. तो उसको ही हम फाइन ट्यून करें. I like this. तो देखा मैंने
कैसे फुटबॉल को तुम कैसे गोल पोस्ट तक ले आए और फिर ऐसा किक मारा कि मजा आ गया मेरी जान. अच्छा सुनो. बट मेरा जो फेवरेट एरा था, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई लव योर शो सो मच, इज द रेट्रो. Like my retro songs, 80s,
अभी हमारे लिए तो 90s रेट्रो नहीं कहला सकते, मतलब 70s 80s हमारे लिए, बिकॉज आई एम अ 90s
हाँ,
चाइल्ड, सो
of course.
90s नॉट रेट्रो फॉर अस बिकॉज यू आर
Yeah,
बोर्न इन
please हाँ, exactly, exactly.
वी साउंड वेरी ओल्ड, बट आजकल के जो ये जो
आजकल के
जनरेशन है,
ये जो जनरेशन है आजकल की,
वो लोग तो उन लोग को वो लोग
वो
सोचते थे
लोग
90s, या मतलब जो 15-16 साल के जो बच्चे हैं वो लोग कहते कि आई
बच्चे,
एम लाइक व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय रेट्रो, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड।
you realize that you're calling yourself like old, right? With every word like this. Please इससे मत
या
को, oh the new generation, I mean you know आजकल जो चल रहा
नहीं,
है,
हम
या
लोग जनरेशन, हम लोग वो मिलेनियल थे ना, हम लोग वी वर जनरेशन एक्स
है,
वाई आई एम वाई एंड नाउ देयर इज जी। अभी एक्स वाई जेड खत्म हो गया, अल्फाबेट खत्म, इसके बाद क्या?
इसके बाद क्या? But you know Sushant, I cannot go further if we don't get you to sing Piya Tu, क्योंकि ये गाना जब सुशांत ने रेडियो पर गाया था, my God, people like reached out to me. मुझे आज तक याद है उस दिन फोन लाइंस इतनी बजी थी because people were just like हमें सिर्फ सुशांत से बात करना है. And let's go back and replay that. Piya Tu, what a song. आशा भोसले, you
ओ
are.
माय आशा
ले
भोसले
यार.
जी, आशा ताई काय गायलंय यार। चलो, I'll try. पिया तू हे अब तो आजा, हे 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 मोनिका,
मोनिका.
टंग 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 तरडंग टंग तरडंग टंग 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 तरडंग टंग तरडंग टंग टंग तरडंग नन 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 टाडाडाडा टाडाडा टां टाडाडा पिया तू अब तो आजा, शोला सामने दहके आके बुझा जा, कन की ज्वाला ठंडी हो जा, ऐसे गले लगा जा, आ आ आ आ आ आ आ आ आ है मोनिका, ओ माय डार्लिंग, ओ मोनिका, oh my darling.
Woohoo! Oh my God! I don't care if this is in lockdown because what you deserve is an opera stage, and you deserve. I'm sure इस वक्त जितने भी लोग देख रहे हैं, oh my God, Sushant. He's on Twitter, he's on Instagram. Show some love. Take a video of this, you know, post it on. You gotta spread this love, gotta spread this cheer. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. That was beautiful. And I think talent always attracts talent. And my next question is going to be about somebody जिन्होंने यही हुनर देखा, एक ऐसी इंसान जिनके फैन आप बहुत बड़े फैन रह चुके थे, एंड देन शी मेट यू एंड शी वाज लाइक guess what, I love you, and that sort of like harmonies came together, and I would really love it if you can tell us about Usha Uttup ji, क्योंकि Usha Uttup और तो oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, क्या कब हुआ था ये?
Love her. So my first time when I actually performed on a stage in front of 2,500 people was, you know, at one of her shows. I don't know, 2,500 or maybe a little lesser. But at one of her shows, जब उषा जी आई थी यहाँ पर बॉम्बे में परफॉर्म करने एनसीपीए थिएटर में, और उनका शो चल रहा था, एंड शो से पहले वो माइक चेक कर रही थी, एंड शी वाज उनका जो ये साउंड चेक होता है बैंड के साथ, और ये सब हो रहा था, और मैं अपने मम्मी के साथ गया था उनको मिलने के लिए, क्योंकि शी डज अ लॉट ऑफ चैरिटी वर्क कलकत्ता में। तो मेरे मम्मी का एनजीओ है कलकत्ता में, तो वो मम्मी के एनजीओ को बहुत हेल्प करती हैं, और उधर के बच्चों के लिए आके बहुत सारा कुछ मतलब प्रोग्राम्स करती हैं फ्री में, एंड शी इज सच अ philanthropist, you know, like she does so much work. तो my mother heard that she's coming to Bombay, तो उन्होंने कहा, मेरे मम्मी ने कहा उनको कि can I come and see you? तो she said yeah, of course come. तो my mother took me also and went. And then I met her and I was shivering like this. I was like, I was
Of course.
and then she said that, oh, you sing, right? So why don't you sing something for me and show me? So I was like, here on the stage during the mic check. So I said, she's like, yeah. I took the mic and I sang Whitney Houston's I Will Always Love You. तो उन्होंने कहा कि अच्छा ठीक है, अभी मेरा शो 2 घंटे में स्टार्ट होने वाला है यहाँ पर, तो इसका -1 ट्रैक बना लेती हूँ मैं और तुम गाओगे आज. And I'm like, what? On her show. And so she just made me sing, and then she made me sing 2 more songs. And recently इस साल, और ये मतलब जब मैं 17-18 साल का था तभी की बात है, जब मैंने मेरे दोनों आवाजों में गाया था और लोग मतलब पागल हो गए थे. उसके बाद देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग टीवी एंड ऑल दैट. आई वाज अ डीजे, तो मैंने म्यूजिक को थोड़ा मतलब पीछे ढकेल दिया था. But then that was my biggest mistake I think I made. But now I'm back to music and I've been singing for about 5-6 years now and I love it. Um, uh, and I recently met her. और अगर कोई भी परफॉर्मर, एक लाइव परफॉर्मर का मतलब एक लेवल अगर किसी ने क्रिएट किया है तो वो है उषा उत्तुप. शी हैज क्रिएटेड अ लेवल, अगर आप उसके आर पार जाएं तो आप मतलब लेजेंडरी हो. उनका जो मतलब एनर्जी है, इस उम्र में उनकी जो एनर्जी होती है स्टेज पे, वो ब्रेक भी नहीं लेती. वो मतलब ये नहीं कहती कि अच्छा आई डू हाफ अ सेट एंड हाफ अ सेट. शी स्टैंड्स एंड सिट्स एंड सिंग्स even till today 2 hours like continuously, 1.5 hour continuously. आजकल के जो जवान मतलब जो गायक गायिका हैं वो भी नहीं कर सकते. और आई थिंक शी इज अ नेशनल ट्रेजर.
She is a national treasure, and
I
I
think
want to take you
असली
back to.
कोहिनूर इंडिया का असली कोहिनूर वही है.
Hi, क्या बात है. I want to take you back to that time when Usha Uttup actually began singing. And आज जो तुम्हें पता
जी.
मरीन ड्राइव पर पिज्जेरिया है, पिज्जा बाय द बे है. It used to be at that time
Not
something
just
called,
jazz, by the way.
before, when Usha Uttup used to sing there as one of the singers of that bar. Literally, it was called Top of the Town. ठीक है.
Talk of the
And
town.
Top of the Town पर Usha Uttup night हुआ करता था, and she used to sing there. I've heard these stories of so many people saying हमने वहां पर उनको देखा है. And I think that it's so beautiful that stage जो है वो बड़ा हुआ. बट आर्टिस्ट की तैयारी जो होती है वो शायद एक छोटे स्टेज पर होती है, एंड देन यू जस्ट एक्सट्रैपोलेट एंड देन यू टेक दैट तैयारी एंड देन इट प्रिपेयर्स यू फॉर ऑडियंसेस ऑफ 5,000 10,000 एंड इट्स वेरी टफ टू पिक एन उषा उत्तुप सॉन्ग दैट लाइक यू आर सेइंग. बट अगर मैं तुमसे कहूँ कि उषा उत्तुप का कोई एक गाना हमें थोड़ा सा सुना दो तो कौन सा होगा?
Oh, darling, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो. डार्लिंग, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो. रोको ना मुझको प्यार करने दो. बेचैन है बहारा, बेखैफ जाने यारा, बुलबुलों को अभी इंतजार करने दो. डार्लिंग, आंखों से आंखें चार करने दो. Darling.
Woohoo! This is so special because, as I said, Usha Uttup connection, it's unreal because sometimes you grow up looking at these people and they're bigger than you, and फिर आप उनसे मिलते हैं और फिर आप उनका इंटरव्यू करते हैं. If you're in my position and if you're in Sushant's position, then you get to sing along your divas, which I think is really amazing. So this is now becoming too much of a tribute to the divas. Let's talk a little bit about pop stars who probably inspired you to sing and dance. I don't know if you have a special place in your heart for Michael Jackson, but
I do, of course. और मैंने बहुत सारे ट्रिब्यूट्स भी किए हैं माइकल जैक्सन को के लिए, and I have given him tributes all over India actually. पुणे, बैंगलोर, दिल्ली, बॉम्बे.
तुम्हारे बैंड का नाम बाकियों को बताओ. टॉप स्टोरी. ये क्यों नाम है इस बैंड का टॉप स्टोरी, मुझे बताओ.
Because I think that it's called Top Story because a lot of times you jam and Top Story because Rohini, when we are jamming and we are rehearsing and we're just like chilling, we usually sit on the top story of a building, which is the terrace.
Oh, lovely.
Right? So it's not Top Story like breaking news wala Top Story. Top Story with an EY. Top Story is the last level of a building, so it's the topmost story. The view is better from top. from the top.
नहीं, Top Story has done a lot of shows across India, जैसे कि सुशांत ने कहा, and yes, I do know about the Michael Jackson tribute nights. But did you, for example, grow up, looking at those videos of Michael Jackson? मुझे आज तक याद है black और white की वीडियो जब आई थी MTV पर. I cannot forget that.
And I also think that उनके हर एक वीडियो में, उनके हर एक गाने में जो वो लोग वो एक स्टोरी बताते थे, उसका बहुत ही मतलब एक सोशल कॉज अटैच रहता था उसके साथ, एंड इट हैड अ लार्जर मीनिंग. उनके जो लिरिक्स थे, it doesn't matter whether you're black or white, I took my baby on a Saturday, bang, and all of that. Do you agree with me? Wait, saw you kicking dirt in my eye, thinking about my baby, and don't matter if you're black or white, and thinking about being my brother or sister, it doesn't matter. So it's like he was basically talking about racism, and he was talking about the fascism that happens in a couple of countries that he was calling out, and I thought he was brilliant. He was way ahead of his times. Also the Earth song he sang about the environment, and he sang so many other things, for the children of Africa. They did the whole thing, We Are the World. He was also part of that. So he had a lot of social causes that were attached to it. Apart from him, I absolutely love Madonna.
Oh my God! Madonna, baby, Madonna. I mean, trust me,
Material Girl, Madonna, the original Material Girl.
Original Material Girl, and I think Madonna was the first woman on a screen to have a gap between her teeth, and she never bothered to seal it. और मुझे वो इतना confidence दिया इस बात में, and I was like, wow, man. And those conical bras and like just oh my God, आग लगा दी थी 80s में. तो Madonna ने आग लगा दी थी, boss. This has turned out to be a tribute from Sushant Divgekar to the absolute divas. ये lockdown chat होने वाला था, but it's become a diva tribute. And for that, of course, I just want to say thank you, Sushant. Thank you, Rani Kohinoor, for emerging in this chat. And thank you so much for staying at home, growing your hair, looking so cute, and also being creative and giving us so much of fun.
I'm still single, bro. I'm still single. Please put it out there.
Nice, nice. But ये लॉकडाउन में कोई नहीं आएगा मिंगल करने, बता देती हूँ.
नहीं, मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना. I'm not, so there's no FOMO on that part.
Okay, so you're happy and single.
Yeah, the FOMO is not feeling FOMO.
All right. On that note, thank you so much for chatting with us, Sushant Divgekar. 100 hours, 100 stars. I hope it was fun for you.
Darling. Hey, I must sing two lines from Sunita's song, because I've sung everybody's song, so I'll sing one little bit.
Thank you.
आई मैं तो आई नजारों के अनजाने एक जगह से, लाई मैं तो लाई बहारों के अफसाने ही वहाँ से, हो ना मुझे छूना ना दूर ही रहना, रोहिणी हूँ मैं, मुझे ना छूना, रोहिणी हूँ मैं.
I love it. Thank you so much, Sushant Divgekar. Jitna kahe utna kam hai. Thank you for the inspiration. Thank you for all of it, and take care of yourself. And thank you for staying home.
You too. It's always a pleasure. And please give my love to everybody at home. Lots of love to Mom, especially Mom. I love her. She's too cute. And you, my darling, are a ray of so much positivity and sun. I mean, like this. You have all the powers to make anybody's day happy and bright, and I love you.
Thank you. My love to Mom and Dad as well. Mwah. Bye.
Bye.
Hundred hours, 100 stars. I'm your radio jockey Meenal from Radio 1 Pune. And आप जानते हैं, this is a non-stop tribute to our COVID warriors. और इसमें हमारा साथ दे रहे हैं कुछ बॉलीवुड के सितारे. लेकिन अभी के बॉलीवुड सितारे को इंट्रोड्यूस करने से पहले आपको बता दूं कि ये QR कोड है स्क्रीन पर, इसे प्लीज स्कैन कीजिए एंड प्लीज मेक योर generous donations to the PM Care Fund. We really need this support at this point in time. इस वक्त मेरे साथ एक ऐसे आर्टिस्ट हैं जो बड़े क्यूट हैं, बड़े टैलेंटेड हैं, और इनकी एक्टिंग मुझे तो सबसे ज्यादा इनके प्ले अलादीन में लगी थी. तो ब्रॉडवे म्यूजिकल जो इंडिया में हुआ था और इसमें अलादीन का किरदार इन्होंने निभाया था. प्लीज वेलकम सिद्धार्थ मेनन. कहाँ हो?
Hi, Meenal, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm great. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा तुम्हारे इंट्रोडक्शन सुन के. मुझे after a long time I heard something like this. So sweet of you. So sweet. No, so nice to be here.
Thank you. You're welcome. And this is 100 Hours, 100 Stars. And रेडियो 1, फीवर FM और रेडियो नशा तीनों साथ मिलके कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि 100 घंटों तक हम लोगों को एंटरटेन करें और उस एंटरटेनमेंट के बदले लोग पीएम केयर्स फंड में डोनेट करें. So thank you for being part of this.
No. Anything for the society and especially in times like this. मुझे लगता है कि सबको साथ रहना बहुत जरूरी है. तो और ये पूछना चाहिए कि मैं अभी क्या दे सकता हूँ. मतलब मेरे पास क्या है क्या नहीं है वो अलग बात है, लेकिन what can I give and whom can I help? So it's great.
बिल्कुल. और हमारी उसी दिन बातें हो रही थी कि अगर आपके सिर पे छत है और दिन में 2 वक्त का खाना मिल रहा है तो you're extremely blessed. तो प्लीज
बहुत बड़ा प्रिविलेज है, बहुत बड़ा.
बिल्कुल. क्या चल रहा है इस लॉकडाउन में, बताइए मुझे आपकी जिंदगी में. बिजी हो या फ्री हो?
नहीं, एक्चुअली तो लॉकडाउन की शुरुआत में सडनली ऐसा, मतलब किसी ने, अगर आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो फुल स्पीड में और अचानक से हैंड ब्रेक आप पुल करोगे तो क्या होगा, वैसे जिंदगी रुक गई. क्योंकि मैं बहुत भागदौड़ कर रहा था. मेरा एक सीरीज है, एक फिल्म है जो मैं खत्म करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. इट वाज इन पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन. तो मेरा जो काम है, आई वाज ट्राइंग टू लाइक गेटिंग ऑल दैट डन. आई गॉट दैट डन एंड अचानक देयर वाज लाइक अ ब्रेक and everything just stopped. And it was good, to tell you very honestly. The first 2 weeks, in fact, I suddenly realized that I was running after a few things which I didn't need to run after. And I was worrying and stressing over things which was not benefiting me in any way. Yeah, okay, the work which I want to do and all is fine. And if that stopped, it's sad. Lekin ye realization hua mujhe. So it took a good two weeks. And उस 2 weeks के दौरान में मैंने decide किया कि let me start getting some of the things done which I really wanted to. So I went into a self workshop kind of a mode, working on. So I started working on my body a lot. I started working on my voice a lot. I got back to the whole Aladdin regime. Taking it a step ahead.
Right. I was just reading up on you on the internet and ऐसा लिखा था कि आप एक ऐसे वर्कआउट में एंगेज करते हैं जो अलग है थोड़ा सा. What is that called?
Calisthenics.
Yeah. Can you tell us what that is?
हाँ, तो calisthenics actually जो basic body weight वर्कआउट है उसको ही calisthenics बोलते हैं. मतलब जो non equipment, that's the basic level of calisthenics. हाँ, yeah. So like the push-ups or the pull-ups, the amount of variations that are there, which really hit the muscles which you didn't even know that you had.
कुछ ऐसा move है या step है जो आप करते हैं, which is like an advanced level thing, or like, can you show us something? Is it possible?
I can actually. So, 1 minute. I'm going to ask you to shoot this for me.
Okay.
Listen, I just need 2 minutes of your time. Just, how do you revire? Okay. Just say, look, I'm doing a muscle up.
Okay.
So, this is something which is...
My God, you have like an entire setup there. Wow, okay.
These things look expensive, but they're absolutely not expensive.
Okay.
I can really tell you, this bar I installed in my house for like $500.
Okay.
And these rings which really gymnasts use for like $2,000. So it's the best investment I have made in my fitness.
Nice.
And this is a movement called a ring muscle up.
Okay.
Let's see if I can do it out of block, but so you get to do all of these things.
What?
Yeah, so stuff like that. If you, yeah,
I'm.
if
I
you
don't.
got
I didn't think the body was capable of doing something like that.
exactly. So I discovered this, और मुझे लगा कि यार ये से क्योंकि क्या है ना, फिटनेस का क्या होता है हमेशा, you get bored of it, like लोगों का मतलब how do you say, like the connect with fitness, you have to find your connect.
Find your connect. Absolutely.
Like,
I agree.
हाँ, कुछ लोगों को रनिंग पसंद है, लेकिन मैं रनिंग से इतना मतलब मुझे खास नहीं लगता, मैं बोर हो जाता हूँ, मतलब कितना भागना है. तो सम पीपल इट्स थेरेप्यूटिक. तो मैं ना हमेशा मतलब जिम में जाता था, कर रहा हूँ ये रैप कर रहा हूँ, बोर हो गया यार. आई वाज लाइक वेयर इज दिस हेडिंग. And with this form, I really came to know that you can set goals to learn skills,
Right.
and then you go towards achieving that, and then then you're like, okay, to achieve that I need more arm strength, or I need more, and then you work. So since I'm a very goal oriented person, this gave me वो वाला push मुझे मिला.
क्या बात.
काफी.
Very nice, very nice. Let's talk about your work. Aladdin का experience बताइए हमें. A Broadway musical in India. This isn't the first time a Broadway musical has come to India. Is it, or is it the first time?
नहीं, ये भी आया था. Beauty and the Beast किया था ना डिज्नी ने.
Correct.
पहला वाला था Beauty and the Beast. And this has come after also. कुछ हमारे भी हुए हैं ओरिजिनल, मतलब मुगले आजम जो भी एक ब्रॉडवे म्यूजिकल टाइप. ऑल्सो काफी बड़े वाले नहीं, लेकिन स्पेशली मुंबई में NCPA में and even in Prithvi, there are a lot of people who do musicals.
Right.
Smaller spaces and all.
In fact,
so that
में भी होता है.
अरे हमारे
संभाजी
हमारे खून में तो engraved.
Elephants और animals को लेके होता है ना?
Yeah. So yeah, but the scale, I mean, Beauty and the Beast was, the stage was bigger, and the stage was, हाँ मतलब Beauty and the Beast में stage ऐसा था, मतलब आगे, और it starts from left and goes to right.
Like, really?
हाँ.
I didn't catch that, so I had no idea.
हाँ, so that was very big. This they got it back to the proscenium. Okay. But we did use the entire theater, like multiple entry exits होते हैं, वहाँ से entry in, and I am coming in from anywhere and going anywhere, and plus flying.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि आपकी entry है और कोई बीच में आ गया या कुछ ऐसा?
हाँ, तो क्या था ना, in the play जब एक scene में I just need to pass through the audience. Okay, so I need to enter one entrance and go to the other. So another scene and I quietly go. तो जब मैं ऐसे quietly में जा रहा था, तो बच्चे बहुत excited होते हैं. बच्चे मतलब पागल हो रहे. And they're like glued to the stage ऐसे हाँ and all. And suddenly they see me walking by, and then they're like, Mama. And I have full freedom. मैं full freedom. I pull their cheeks. And they, उनको समझ में नहीं आता ये कैसे हुआ, मतलब स्टेज से ये अलादीन ऐसे यहाँ कैसे आ गया. And then I sometimes if I have a chocolate or something, I slip it in because I know that there would be kids. And then they're like,
I had heard a story of an actor once when I was interviewing him that वो एक देखने गए थे जब वो बच्चे थे, और स्टेज पर जो एक्टर था वो ऑडियंस में आया था for one of the scenes, and he pulled his cheeks in the middle of that whole thing, and he said that was my turning point, and I thought to myself that I will also be an actor.
Oh.
Can you imagine the kid whose cheeks you pulled will grow up and become an actor and say, Siddharth Menon was in Aladdin and he pulled my cheeks, and that's when I realized.
I hope. I really hope. Yeah, but that's wow. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था, मतलब हमें तो क्या खुशी बांटनी है बस.
Yeah, of course, absolutely.
अरे क्या क्या नहीं हुआ है स्टेज पे. एक बार तो उफ, me and Amir on stage ना, these things happen. तो लाइट होता है, लाइट में ये फिल्टर डालते हैं ना, जिलेटिन,
राइट.
in different colors, blue, red, जो भी है. तो मेरे
वैसे मैं आपको बता दूं, जो कोई देख रहा है, Amir Wagh is somebody who you've seen in Sacred Games. Amir Wagh is somebody you've seen in Ayya with Rani Mukherjee, her brother. That's Amir Wagh. For you, is also a great Marathi actor. Faster Fene is one of his Marathi films that are doing well.
पूरा नाम का एक सीरीज है अरशद वारसी के साथ, उसमें भी हुआ है, वूट पे.
Correct, absolutely right. Also, there's a QR code on your screen. Please donate to the PM Cares Fund. This is 100 Hours, 100 Stars. बातें हो रही है सिद्धार्थ मेनन के साथ. Yes, continue. So you and Amir were on stage.
Yeah, तो ऊपर लाइट था यहाँ पर, and there was a gelatin. So the light got so hot that the gelatin burnt.
Okay. And
so I was in the scene, and I was like completely into the scene, and suddenly I saw Amir's eye go up like this. But like maybe he's trying something new, or like go for it. And suddenly I heard this noise, ऐसे वाला आवाज, ये जलने वाला. तो मैंने फिर भी कंटिन्यू किया, लेकिन ऑडियंस they were like no. They were not. वो जल गया gelatin. Of course, the gelatin burned and it burned away. So ऐसे
my God, that's hilarious. It's hilarious. वैसे आपकी एक और सीरीज है हॉटस्टार पर, छप्पड़ फाड़ के, जो मैंने देखी है. फिल्म है, सॉरी, डिड आई से सीरियल?
हाँ,
सॉरी, फिल्म है. एंड इनफैक्ट आपको बता दूं कि मुझे सिद्धार्थ मेनन का ख्याल 100 Hours 100 Stars के लिए इसलिए आया क्योंकि मैंने वो सीरीज को फिल्म देखी, और अब वो बैठ गया है मुझे. तो और तब मुझे लगा कि यार सिद्धार्थ मेनन को सच में बुलाना चाहिए और इसके बारे में बात करनी चाहिए कि ये क्या फिल्म बनाई है. मतलब it starts off as a comedy. आपको लगता है it'll end as a comedy, but it ends, I'm going to just say it ends as a really horrible tragedy, but like the whole film is so gripping. और आपने कमाल का काम किया है इसमें. बताइए इसके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में. विनय पाठक के साथ पहली बार काम किया है?
हाँ, पहली बार. मतलब हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे का काम देखा है. मैंने तो ऑब्वियसली देखा है, लेकिन ऐसे स्टेज पर he has seen me once or twice before this.
Oh really?
What a guy, like
absolutely
what a rock star. मतलब हम सबको पता है कि वो किस लेवल के कलाकार है, उसके बारे में.
और आपको पता है, मतलब my memory of, I've interviewed Vinay Pathak a couple of times in the past, and every time I've interviewed him, first of all, so he remembers, which I don't understand how, because like he meets like 100 people for promotions all the time. And once he came and he actually asked for me because I wasn't in the studio, and he came to the Radio 1 Pune studio and asked for me. And he wrote down a message for me on the door saying, "J ultimate code hai penal, the ultimate jock hai Meenal."
See, हो गया explanation. अभी मतलब इससे हो जाता है कि आदमी कैसा है, किस तरीके से जिंदगी को जीता है. But he was such a fireball. मतलब I had to keep up with my energy, and we really jammed together. बहुत मतलब we've had conversations, we've had fun. वो मतलब शूट के दौरान वो बुलाते थे फोन करके, क्या कर रहा है रे. नहीं शॉट के लिए आजा वैन में आजा. And then he would come and he loves vegetable juices. तो कचुम्बर का जूस, कैरेट का जूस, उसमें अरे makes it very tasty. He carries his juicer around, believe you me. रहते और वो उसमें अच्छा थोड़ा सा नमक ये वो डाल के gives, and it was so, and we were shooting 1 year back, March 2019, exactly 1 year, and Pune heat, hot, shooting outdoors. It was that kachumbar and gajar was a relief.
Okay, so I've got a game for you. It's called Have You Ever?
Have you ever?
Yeah. So, by the way, I was just doing some research, and the first question for Have You Ever is from here. Do you know that? I'm sure you do that. There is a South Indian actor called Siddharth Menon as well, and
The singer, yeah.
he's got a wiki page and has your picture on it.
Yeah. We both have come to the conclusion that Google and Wikipedia don't know everything.
So,
We're great friends actually.
oh
Because
really?
so we reached out to each other saying ki, are you facing this problem? Do you know how to solve this? Pata hai kya?
And because I was going through, so I just typed Siddharth Menon and saw the wiki page. I clicked on it. This is of course not today, but many like months ago. And I read through their entire bio where the brother is a scientist in UK and everything, and I'm just like, this is not Sid. Like this doesn't seem like Sid. And like whole like brought up in Bombay and stuff, and I'm just like, what? That. Why did I have this other impression of Sid? Like he's not. This is not him. And then I just realized that there are 2 wiki pages of Siddharth Menon. And
Yeah. तो वो थोड़ा सा वो solve हो गया है. Yeah. So if you say Siddharth Menon actor, I come, and if you say Siddharth Menon singer, he comes.
Oh.
Because he's more of a singer than an actor, and I'm more of an actor than a singer. Like he does a lot of playback. He has his own band. So I've not done all of that yet.
Oh.
So the internet world has deemed me the actor and him the singer. So.
Singer. Okay. So have you ever been mistaken for another actor?
हाल ही में शाहिद कपूर.
Wow. Not bad. But you do have that whole Arjun Reddy Kabir Singh look going on for you. So
अभी ये मतलब थोड़ा सा वो हो गया है. So the fuzz, but yeah, there are a lot of people who have come and said this thing. लेकिन उसका भी एक थोड़ा सा gradual ये है. तो जब DCH had come ना, दिल चाहता है, तो मैं स्कूल में था, the school passing out school types this thing, and all my classmates used to tell me, hey, you look like Saif. So there was like a Saif thingy first, okay, and बीच में ये था गिरीश कुमार तौरानी.
Oh, जीने लगा होगा है.
Many people came and told me, sir, आपकी फिल्म बहुत बढ़िया है, रमैया वस्तावैया.
That's not me, dude.
That's not me.
Or have you ever goofed up your lines on stage?
हाँ.
Yeah. What do your co-actors have to say to that when they have to like respond to you?
Obviously, उस वक्त मतलब आप distract नहीं हो सकते. You know, you have to help each other out, try and get back on track. लेकिन कुछ ऐसी चीजें हो जाती है.
गालियाँ पड़ी है उसके बाद?
नहीं, गालियाँ तो बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि of course unintentional. लेकिन एक बार मैंने एक period play में, okay, it's a very period play में, I ended up speaking in English. And this is before the British even came. So this is irrecoverable. I mean, but what we did is, before the audience, they were like, did we hear? We just zoomed past, like, finished. And then I came, I was so guilty. I was like, I went to the director, I said, I'm so sorry. He's like, no, it's okay. Just, it can happen.
Have you ever done something you regret?
In my work?
No, generally in life.
हाँ है. I know this है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है मैंने.
Explanation not needed, but I'm just saying, have you ever done? Explanation not needed. Okay. Have you ever not done something and regretted?
हाँ.
Like what? Now this time. What did you want?
बहुत इनिशियली जब मैंने काम करना शुरू किया था, I did not like to go and audition.
Oh.
हाँ, क्योंकि क्या होता था ना, बहुत it's a very weird place for a newcomer. क्योंकि you're going in with so much anxiety and sometimes the people on the other side वो पहली नजर में ही रिजेक्ट कर देते थे.
Right.
और तब मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इतना नहीं था. I used to go in a shell and I used to not do the audition and I used to just want to run out from there.
Have you given it back to trolls on the internet?
हाँ.
Yeah?
सिर्फ एक.
Have you ever lied about an emergency for getting late? On set or on... yeah?
On set मैंने नहीं किया है.
अच्छा, but generally in life?
हाँ, लाइफ में किया है.
Okay, have you ever heard a co-star bitch about you?
नहीं, I haven't. कभी नहीं.
You're too sweet for such things. You're too sweet. Oh, they are too sweet. Okay,
they're too sweet. I'm not too sweet. They are all too sweet.
Have you ever had a near-death experience?
Near-death.
Only gelatin paper burning was the closest.
Paper burning was the closest.
गिर सकता था ना तुम्हारे सिर पे.
हाँ, वो चाहिए भी नहीं. I value life a lot.
Have you ever saved a life?
हाँ, मैंने किया है.
Really?
हाँ, 2 बार किया है मैंने. एक बार जब मैं बहुत छोटा था. I think I was 7 years old, and me and my aunt, my Atya, and my first cousin, he was 3 years. So he was 3 years old.
Right.
And we went to Murud Janjira.
Right.
Okay. हाँ, तो वहाँ पे एक रिजॉर्ट पे हम रह रहे थे. हट्स टाइप में सब थे.
Correct.
और वो मेरा जो कजन था वो सो गया. And he was in the hut and we were outside and we were a little away
Right.
from the hut. And all the elders were talking and I was just generally playing around and all. And suddenly I went near the hut and the hut had caught fire on one side. So actually पता नहीं, वो candle was lit somewhere inside and it kind of like caught a little bit of fire. और मैं हो गया panic. तो मैं I was like I'll run to my parents, but then I was like नहीं इस बच्चे को निकालना चाहिए. तो मैंने उसको निकाला. The fire didn't become great, but then I shouted and they came on. And the second one involves Mr. Alok Rajwade.
Okay.
कॉलेज में हमारा फाइनल ईयर कॉलेज का हम लोग एक कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज करते थे. इम्प्रोवाइजेशन कंपटीशन था. सो यू कॉल टीम्स एंड दे इम्प्रोवाइज. बेस्ट इम्प्रोवाइजेशन विंस. सो वी वर ऑब्वियसली ऑन द स्टूडेंट काउंसिल. वी वर लीडिंग द एक्टिविटी. So we took the judges to have lunch in the mess.
Okay.
और हमारे उस टाइम के वाइस प्रिंसिपल जो थे सुरवे सर, वो हमारे सामने बैठे थे. And he was not looking very fine.
Okay.
And suddenly, like he went like this.
Oh.
And one of the judges was a qualified doctor. And he said, get sugar and this, that. And suddenly, he said, no, there's something wrong. So me and Alok, I told Alok, go and get a rick fast. Like, go and get a rick fast. And I just told some juniors, I was like, lift him up. हमारा जो BMCC का मेस है वो थोड़ा सा हिल के ऊपर है. मतलब BMCC ऑलरेडी. तो वहां से नीचे उतरकर मैं और आलोक हम took him in the rickshaw and he was on us, like, and we could sense his life going, like he was becoming cold. And we took him to the hospital and his heart had failed.
Oh.
Doctor told us that even if you were 1 minute late, he would have passed away. But yeah.
Crazy. Since we're talking about saving lives, please scan the QR code that's right here at the bottom of the screen. Please make your donations to the PM Cares Fund. This is 100 Hours, 100 Stars. Rohit, Siddharth, Menon. Say thank you so much for being part of this. This was so much fun.
It was so much fun. Thank you. I'm so glad to be a part of the 100 Stars. It really means a lot to me, and you're so sweet. I hope you guys collect as much money, um, and we get to help and we come out of this together.